To fix this problem, what you have to do is to search for the app. So when you find the app, just use your finger to tap on it for some while. Tap on this section, which is the app info, and when you tap on it, you're going to get into the app info of the app. Tap on storage and cache. Then after that, what you have to do is to tap on the clear cache. Then you go back. After clearing the cache, what you have to do is to tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. Now tap on permissions and make sure every permission is allowed. Go back and tap on notifications and make sure this show notification is turned on like this. After that, go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data and restriction will depend on the phone you're using, and tap on background data over here. After doing this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you get to Google Play Store, check the update of this app. So when you have the latest update, what you have to do is to restart your device by tapping on the power button, then tap on restart to get your device restart. So after restarting your device and it's still not working, what you have to do is to go to your phone settings. So you tap on device here in the settings button, then you tap on network and internet. Then after that, tap on mobile network, then you tap on the network you're using. Then after that, what you have to do is to scroll a little bit and tap on advanced. Now tap on preferred network and select 4G/3G/2G or 2. After selecting this, what you have to do is to go back and tap on your power button for some while. Tap on restart to restart your device, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.